Hey everyone, I'm Michael.
And I'm Jessie. Welcome back to Free to Wander Now.
Today's video is a little bittersweet. We are packing up and getting ready to go back to Canada.
We arrived here in January, escaping the cold and the snow from Toronto. What a fabulous winter it's been.
And we're sad that we have to leave.
Yes.
But it's time to head back, and that means getting everything in order. We're organizing the condo for someone to take care of it while we're gone. And this comes to the decision what we pack to take home and what we leave to stay.
Yes, and this is where our relationship with stuff comes into play.
Back in 2021, we sold off nearly everything we owned. That one decision completely changed the way we looked at material things.
We live simpler now, and we ask ourselves, do we really need this? We try and stay with the 1 in, 1 out rule. Try. Mm-hmm. But it does keep travel easier and life simpler.
Yeah, we live with just the things that work with us and what we need.
Yep, tried and true.
People often ask us, would you live here full time?
It's tempting. Mexico has been so good to us, but full time isn't right for us just now.
No, we miss our kids, we miss our friends, we miss our family. So
that's a big one. We also have health appointments and check-ins back home.
And our work projects need attention. Mm-hmm. Not to mention our camper and car are in storage, and we have some pretty exciting camping adventures in Ontario this summer.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll head back north for now.
Yes, we'll leave the fans running and a little piece of our heart right here in Moose Ridge. Cannot forget the puffy coat because that is coming to Canada. Okay, well, the countdown has begun. We are getting packed up and we will be leaving tomorrow. And so just getting the clothes. We are going to be using these vacuum sealing bags for anything that I'm leaving here. I don't need them for what I'm taking with me. I have lots of room. But I'm going to leave all my linens and any clothes that I'm taking. I'm going to vacuum seal in this. And the rest of the things will just go in my regular packing cubes. Okay, well, another thing that we do is we put out charcoal or carbon, as it's called here, in a tray. That is to absorb any moisture. So we've got 2 of those up here in the bathroom and in the closets as well. So let's just keep that here. Okay, let's talk about this suitcase. It is giant and it collapses. So I am going to make it smaller for the trip home because I brought down more than I'm bringing home. All right, so I have it pretty much packed. There might be a couple of more things to go in the top here. So it's important to put heavy things on the bottom. I read that and I agree, works better. Okay, so one size smaller use this. Okay. Okay, this is what. We are going to get these linens into the vacuum bags. Okay, now I just have to take the air out. I do like to put a dryer sheet in. Keeps it fresh so that I don't have to wash everything again because it's smelling really alive. Usually the sheets are fine for at least the first night or two. And then you have to take off, so this has a little valve that you remove, and then suck up the air with the vacuum cleaner. The air. Okay. And we have linens with no air. Now I do keep some things here, some clothing, and so we're going to vacuum seal that as well. Okay, same thing with the extra towels. Yeah, so the bamboo sheets are lovely. These are from Mexico. They use a lot of microfiber, but I don't like microfiber, so bamboo it is. Good. Okay, and then we want to put our utensil holder up here in the cupboard so that everything doesn't get all covered with dust and it just stays off the counter. We don't leave any food at all left. One or two things in the fridge. Dusty, so all the dishware, glassware goes inside this cupboard. And anything else goes in there. The air from the floaties. Very important. The floaties stay. Okay. We're all set. Condo reset complete. Okay, well, we made it to the airport and we are here in plenty of time because you never know how long. So we are having a
Cold beer.
and we will be heading in pretty soon to get our bags checked, and away we go.
See you soon.